Hi guys, Josh Turnbull here, Neville Smith Forest Products. Just wanted to have a chat to you about how, everyone might be feeling due to COVID and the difference in working at home and the challenges that we're all accepting. And I'm sure none of you is quite as stressed as my belt due to all the food I've been eating. But anyway, that's my problem. So first up, we have the coffee, we have the pre-work chat. The pre-game chat. Let's get motivated, let's do something. Let's probably have a shower, get dressed. It's a good start. We've all had that unexpected Zoom call with the CEO where we've got no shirt on. Doesn't go well. That's another story. So look guys, I think it's just about setting the parameters. We need to be clear with whoever we have in the house, whether it be children, our wives, our partners, brothers and sisters, that there needs to be some boundaries. Daddy is just in the next room working, according to my 6-year-old, but that's Daddy's office for the day. So let's just go through a day with Josh Turnbull at home, working COVID. Righto guys, we've done the commute to work. So normally, we have the drive to work, get ourselves in the right headspace, put a bit of music on. Normally I like to take the motorbike. As you've probably seen today, I've took the Huffy 8-inch from the kitchen to the office. But hey, we've got to keep things as normal as possible. Second coffee, don't admire the cup. Come in, we do some work. It's where I check my emails, I ring all my other colleagues that are actually at work. They're doing it tough as well. We're all separated, we're isolated. This is normally the morning meeting where, you make the new guy get the coffees. Well, I've had to do my own this morning, but that's all right, number 2. So I ring Drew, I ring the dry mill, I haven't always got the luxury of having the office. 10 minutes ago, I was in the Colorado, Kids just continuously come in all the time, Again, set the tone, guys, boundaries. I should have shut the door. This morning, 5:30 a.m. on the porch in me jocks, talking to the guys at the dry mill. I hope the lady next door wasn't looking again. Anyway, all I'm saying is we need to be adaptable. Keep things as close to normal as we can. But it's not going to be 100% normal. COVID's not normal, but let's just get through it. So, smoko, 9 o'clock. We have our break. It's not the time to go and paint the garage or clean the motorbike. We could do the tassels on the Huffy. It's not what it's about. It's about having smoko and getting reset to come back to work. The same as lunch, guys, we've got to have work structure. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. We're going to get distracted. We're going to get sidetracked, and then our boss will go, well, I've asked you to do these deadlines and they haven't been done. Well, and I was watching Netflix, I can only emphasise, guys, it's just got to be normal with some structure. We've been on all day about the settings and work time and kids quiet. No, honey, I can't do that. I've got to write the email. Now we need to discuss that balance, of yes, I'm working at home, but there needs to be normality with boundaries. So when I first started, to be honest, I took it too far. I was working till 9, 10 o'clock, having dinner at the laptop. It was causing a stress on the kids and the wife. So remember, knock-off time is knock-off time. So tell the kids they can be noisy. You can start to do jobs for the wife. Maybe not, but The other stuff, normal. We're not seeing our mates, It's okay for us big tough guys to have a Zoom link up and have a beer. Added benefit is, we've got that mate Mark. Last Friday night, we had him on mute for an hour. He didn't even know. It was great. Exercise, I've said to you, my belt's never been under so much stress in my life. The wife says, you need to get in shape. I say, honey, round is a shape. Apparently that's not the right answer. I tried the Fitbit on the dog. He was doing 2,000 steps. Wasn't helping me. Seriously, guys, we need to take the kids out and play on their scooters. Go for a walk. Take the dog for a walk, That's how we're gonna get through this. Where we can be normal, we need to be normal. So if we're working from home, we get it. There's work time and there's home time. There needs to be a balance. you.